Hi there guys, hi, welcome back. Raspberry Pi for the older generation. Hope you're all in good health. Hope everybody's doing well. Are you ready to carry on with our code for the Morse code generator? Just a quick reminder before that, don't forget, hopefully you've all got your kits by now, but if you haven't, I've got a link down below where you can get the Sunfounder kits. I use the Raphael kit, Okay, so let's go back to here and let's carry on with our configuration. Most of it's done. Okay, so we're now in our setup. So it's enter. And what do we normally do? GPIO dot set mode, brackets on, and it's GPIO dot BCM because we're using BCM because we're using the extender. And let's enter that. Now we need our GPIO dot setups, brackets on, and it's going to be our beep pin first, capital P on the pin, comma, it's a GPIO dot out, all capitals, comma, space, initial, all small case, equals GPIO capitals dot low, brackets off. Right, let's move this out of the way. Yeah, beep in, comma, GPIO dot out, comma, initial equals GPIO dot low. Enter. GPIO dot setup, brackets on, and it's our LED pin, so it's A capital LED capital PIN, yeah, comma, GPIO dot out, all capitals, and that's comma, initial, so this is how we want it to start, equals GPIO dot low, all small case, brackets off. Right, pretty simple there. We've done that all before. Just check in. Okay, enter, and it's, let me just make sure I know where I am. Backspace. Let's come down so you can all see. We now need to do a define, and we're going to call it on, brackets on, brackets off, colons, auto indent. So it's going to be GPIO dot output, brackets on, beep pin, capital B, capital P, comma, space 1, brackets off. Yeah, and it's GPIO dot output, brackets on, a LED pin, yeah, capital P on the pin, and that's also 1, brackets off, enter. And I'll put GPIO in small case. Silly me. All right. So that's our on. Enter. Backspace. And now we want our off. Brackets on, brackets off, colons, auto indent. And it's exactly the same as the top, apart from the numbers are different. So what we do, Control C, up, I didn't want to do that. Undo. It's Control C. Down to here. And Control V. Why is that off? Because I put a capital D on the def. It's not a mistake if you see it first. That's what I say anyway. Let's come down. We need to change these numbers to 0. All right. So that's our off. Now we're going to put in the delay time. So it's enter. Let's bring this down. Enter. Backspace. Back to beginning. So it's a define DEF beep. Small case. Okay. Brackets on. Small case DT. Brackets off. Colons. Auto indent. Right. Then it's on. Brackets on, brackets off. Enter. Time.sleep. Brackets on. DT small case. Brackets off. Enter. Off. Brackets on, brackets off. Enter. Time. Dot. Sleep. Brackets on. DT. Brackets off. All right. Enter. Enter. Backspace. Come down a bit. So we're now on line 38. We're now going to do the Morse code part. It's all small case. No bumpy text. Brackets on. Code. Brackets off. Colons. Enter. Just seen that. That 9. Brackets on. Okay. So. Pause. Equals 0.25. Enter. 4. Letter. Encode. Right. Colons. Enter. Auto indent. 4. Tap. In all capitals now, Morse code. And it's square brackets, letter, square brackets off, colons, enter, auto indent, if, tap, equals, quotes, 0 quotes off, colons, auto indent, beep. Okay, brackets on, pause, /2, brackets off. Okay, so we'll go through the code in a minute, but that's telling when we tap our keyboard, right, we want you to beep. Enter. Backspace. Come under this if. If. Tap. Equals. Quotes 1 quotes off. Colons. Similar to the top. Beep. Pause. brackets on, pause, brackets off, enter, backspace, backspace. We want to be under the 4. Yeah. Time.sleep. And what they put here, pause. All small case. Enter. Okay. So far, so good. Let me get my notes up. Not much more to do, guys. Not much more. Okay. Now, def. But it's not a loop. It's main. M-A-I-N. While true. Enter. Auto indent. Code. All small case. Equals input. Right. Please input the messenger. So, brackets on, full quotes, please input the message. Well, messenger here, they say there. So we'll put messenger, colons, double quotes, brackets off, enter. Let me just see where I am. Code, space, equals, space, code, dot, upper. Brackets on, brackets off. Okay. Print. Brackets on. Code. Brackets off. Enter. Morse code, all small case. Morse code. Brackets on. Code. Brackets off. Right. Let's come here. Backspace. Up to our destroy. Okay. Up to our destroy. Enter. Auto indent. Print. Brackets on. Quotes. Brackets off. Enter. GPIO. Capitals. Dot output. Brackets on. Beep. Pin. Capital B. Capital P. Comma. GPIO. Dot low. Brackets off. And the same with our lead pen. GPIO dot output. Brackets on. AL capitals ED PIN. Brackets. GPIO dot low. Brackets off. All right. And then GPIO dot clean up. Brackets on, brackets off. Right. Let's just check our. Get rid of this. So program entrance, setup, try. It's not loop, it's main. Brackets on, brackets off, and then it's our Control plus C to end the program. We'll save that. Right, let's hope we've got no problems. Let's hope we've got no problems. I'm just gonna go to here. Let's see what happens. Right, just to show you, it looks like it's working. All right, let's press something. Okay, let's press. Right, let's go to overhead and I'm going to press enter. All right, so what I did, I put my name in, Leslie, and it beeped it out. Right, please input the message. Now I know that you can't hear my buzzer, but let's try. Let me just go back to overhead. Right, let's just try it. I'm going to pull back the sticker a little bit, and then I'm going to let me type a message. Hello. All right, and then I'm going to press enter. Watch, please watch the LED and you'll see it send the message. Are we ready? Okay, hopefully, well, you saw it, hopefully you heard it. All right, so every time it goes back to please input your message. Have a play around with it. Put different messages in, listen to your Morse code, and remember, 0 is dit, 1 is dar. So if I put A in, and it'll be dit dar. B will be dit dar dar dar. All right, dar dit dit dit. Sorry. And C will be dar dit dar dit. All right. Yeah. What a thing for me. Trip down memory lane, and the code worked first time. Are we all surprised? Because I am. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Comment below. Is it that side? No, it's that side. Because when you've got a camera, everything's backwards. Hopefully you're subscribing. It'll come up there. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.